Every ask you, Ayetian, him take from you.
What alone? Him do it and more people hear it from him.
Somebody come and look at this. Look at this.
Do it.
Yeah, because
It makes
we
sense
heard
because
from you first.
from you first, you see me?
Yeah, man.
So when they did hear,
May I represent for one Media Fox? Media Fox, Media Fox. How the latest news them lock?
Don't know Media Fox, you know? Yeah, man, you know things that people, you know, that dancehall thing I get from bad to worse when it come to the copy thing. This really gets serious, people. Really get serious, bro. So you gonna tell me, say, nobody can whistle in a dancehall again? Somebody can copyright whistle? Me don't know, dog. Some of the time, brother, I think them won't even bring up, even make no sense, bro. But people, this is what I go on every day, so.
That's how I can say. Can't go on in this place.
Yeah.
yeah, every ask you, Ayetian, him take from you.
Why we can't whistle to them?
Yeah, I can't do that.
Imitation is a form of flattery. And me been in the game for quite some time. Me know say when something hot right now, just leave it alone. Him do it and more people hear it from him. When most people probably want to come out and cuss and say, yo, the boy thief my thing on the boy. Nah, bro, you hear something and you like it and you use it and it work for you. I mean, dancehall is that, isn't it? It rarely original. Everybody take from somebody and turn it to them for them way and do it for them way. So yeah, but me not gonna stop doing it.
Yeah, because
It
we
makes
heard
sense
from
because
you first.
from you first, you see me?
Yeah, man.
So when they did hear him start do that,
Me never expect him to continue. Think it was a one-off thing.
That's what me
But
think.
it's
Yo, tell no people, man, tell it to right here, dog. Brother, where dancehall gone to? In people, tell me. Where dancehall gone to? Bro, some of the time I feel like, bro, when I just put in the work and, brother, what my name again? Ayetian, the youth, you don't know the artist. Brother, see, I tell me, say whistling, bro. Whistle. But, brother. So, this a man here, seeing? This a man here go say, yo, him the expect say, Ayetian fi whistle one time and don't whistle again. Brother, me remember how much time me usually whistle that sound there, brother. And not because of this artist, yeah. People been a whistle like that, brother, for years. You understand? I don't know when since this whistle. Say to me, say, if you whistle in a song, brother, you know that some of the time I feel like some silly thing, bro. Brother, it's a whistle that, brother, where this a fi. Yo, I tell you boy, nightly fix seven dog. The man then bring up some like a stupid thing more while, you know, bro. Brother, I understand if a song lyrics are something line, but bro, whistle, brother. Whistle. Somebody cannot. So if a man a whistle, you are gonna say you not expect him to do it again. I don't understand this, brother. You can copyright whistle. People, tell me if you can copyright whistle. Brother, from Ruban, people been a whistle, brother. You have many different whistle sound. Me hear that in a movie way back when. That same whistle sound there. So, I don't understand this, bro. Like, some of the time I feel like, bro, when you just dead it and true, maybe when you not get the attention there, bro. And I see an artist do something. And it maybe sound like that also, bro. When I take it and say, yo, Ray, listen and brother, come on, bro, my you. Something just put in the work, brother. This whistle business don't make no sense, dog. That should even in a conversation, dog. You see me? Whistling, dog. People, what do you think about this? Cause I some joke thing this. Trust me.
him as if I feel him
It is
signature
the
now.
thing now.
Yeah. So,
Yeah. When you ever meet him before?
No.
Oh, you feel like if him did reach out for a collab, you would have pre him because you say, oh, at least him rate the artist and him reach out for a collab and
No, cause him not reach out for a collab, I'm not pre him. Him not have to. Him probably, let's give the benefit of the doubt, him probably didn't even know me.
Then why the conversation then? Me not understand that. If the man don't know you, right? And the man does a do alcohol whistling and you say you're not pre him, But you just say a while ago say, you did think say him just a do a one-off thing. Brother, that not make no sense, bro. That totally not make no sense, brother. Something wanna use, dog, for say, yo, man, I follow this and... Brother, yeah, you want artist. I think of the artist. His name Maestro. A Maestro done or something like so. I think him did do one song with Dion here. But an artist where get no big break. You understand? So, brother, you can't really meds no man for no whisper thing, bro. Them think they are joke thing, dog. Whisper, brother, them think they are the amount of whisper sound out there, brother. Like, nothing nobody can copyright that, fam. The whisper thing, they don't make no sense, bro. Is it because you are saying you know, pray a man and he might not know you? Then what the conversation? If the man don't know you, that means you know you him did a follow then. You understand?
Tell me, I say?
Yeah.
So, we
But
can't.
he would have had to have heard that whistling there
Definitely.
from somewhere.
Definitely.
And that somewhere more than likely is from you.
Yes.
Even how it's done.
Yeah,
because
the
it's
same
not
exact
like,
thing.
Yeah.
People, you know say Kaka them not no sense. Now them not no sense, people. This man say he might not hear, he might hear from somebody. And that somebody maybe hear from you. So I tell me say I'm Maestro. So I tell me say I'm Maestro than alone. A whistle so. Like you not hear that type of whistle and no way and no move in no other place. Wait there. A Maestro than create that whistle sound there. So you're telling me a one man whistle that way there, brother? Me know a lot of people who whistle about that before the man even start the music, dog. Me I hear that the whistle is long way back from when, bro. That same whistle sound there, brother. Is it? Brothers, yo, where dancehall gone to people? Unlike the fix them there and make a man look like a idiot. I talk about yo, as somebody him hear that whistle sound there from. Bro, wanna feel, wait there. So no feel like say people can just think and you think say only one man think one way, brother. Me not understand that, dog. Like whistling, bro. People cannot whistle and it just a whistling just go out there in the ear and they might say, yo, let's do this. Brother, the amount of whistle sound me here, bro. Brother, I don't even stop that, brother. Because if you don't feel like you copyright it then. Copyright it then, dog. Madness, dog. We can't be saying on the podcast at about them whistle business, dog. People, what is this? It's a madness, bro.
Yeah, this is exactly.
yeah.
People thought you about it, like
Enough people.
I say, this is the boy.
Almost everywhere we go, but you know, people will be people. People are people in. So you just make them people.
Yo, the man lying a dog. The man lie. The man say enough people talk. Ooh, bro, these are the things the man them do, brother. Bagger capping, bro. People come to you about it. About whistling. How are this, dog? The man lie, him not people, just be people. And the brother, no for stop tell lie, bro. Stop it, brother. Who tell you that? That not make no sense, dog.
Just met them people.
I know say if it's that you far out and say Ray. It a go look away upon you.
Yeah, and me not really controversial, and maybe that is a thing where make me know they on the forefront really. Me know. Some people ask me why I want to be artist and me know like the limelight certain way. But I just my personality, I don't know. But if you get to know me, I'm cool, I'm crazy.
Yeah, of course.
Me not like the excitement. I like my music and my talent speak for itself.
Oh, you can't do the drama
And the theatrics.
Yeah.
We can't.
You genuinely feel like say if it's that you did that go on with like gimmickry and them thing, that probably you'd have reached further along.
Of course.
You feel
Of course. Because alright, think about it. If me I be real with myself, bro, nobody don't know what I am like.
Brother, you know always use this gimmick, brother. The amount of man without in a dancehall with gimmick and it still not do nothing for them career, brother. Them just get a little hype and that's it. You understand? Bro, not have to use talent and just market on the thing, bro. No need to go out upon the internet and trash out and this and that, brother. You understand? That not make no sense, bro. Stop have them doubts saying on yourself about maybe if you're in the spotlight more things with that. The amount of artists in the spotlight, them still not reach nowhere, brother. Them still not reach nowhere.
Nothing really out there show you my personality. Maybe that interview you will give them a look. You know what I mean? But other from that, and the thing reach content creation and personality sells. So if what's your story? Me not got GL, me not get shot. Me not talk when I go through. So you don't really know my story. That means I don't have a story, but I don't know it. So if I don't know it, then I'm really buying into that product. Like, why am I for buy this? Why am I for listen to this? So hopefully the EP.
Yo, let me tell you this, brother. Maestro, let me tell you this. If I saw you go pre your career, brother, you just not go really reach the level the way you want. You understand? What kind of story you talk about? Bro, this is music. Music, brother. What you mean by, bro, no for wanna use this prison thing with cartel thing for say about story. Yeah, brother. After another a cartel choose a story there, you know. Another story choose him. You understand? So no use about prison and this and that, brother, or gun or whatsoever if you say, yo, them thing there, cause brother are the people them choose it. So if them get caught with gun, or if them do what them do and end up a prison, you understand? That are them do that. And it just happen to them, so brother. And them make it get caught up on them. You see what me I try to say? So all you have to do, bro, I do music, bro. Promote yourself. No for uno just feel like uno just one artist to link up with and do this with uno and big general for go no this and uno look out for other artists for go no strength. Promote yourself and get no one strength, bro. Promote money. No for uno not doing that. Come remember, you know, people. Me I do a CD for your artist, you know. Seeing? And me I give him the CD. But the thing is that now, me hear the song. I think he's a gospel artist, you know. Me hear the song, you know. One of the song them, I think about 12 songs on the track. And me hear one of the song them. Like it sound familiar when me hear. Seeing? And me always a play it. Me always a hear that play in my workplace. And as so comes me know because the person who I listen to is a gospel person, so it's constantly me remember the song. So I look on the gospel artist and I say, yo, you promote your thing? He must say, no, him just upload it on YouTube. I say, brother, you can't be an artist and just feel like say you're just being an artist for upload song on YouTube, brother. And not so it work. Nobody now gonna know you, brother. The amount of artists they on YouTube, bro. The amount of gospel artists. Brother, promote yourself. You need to invest money. I tell him, say, brother, you just put out 12 track and a 1 minute. And then him say, yo, you know, say, true, me if you pay some money and buy some CD and Ray. I say, bro, you have an Instagram page, you have all of them people, bro. Just spend some money, promote yourself, it'll go pay off. You can't just do your song and a drop on YouTube, that not gonna work. You understand? You have to use little social media, even the influencer, all of them little thing there. Enough of them artists are people, them want to go to other artists and beg them strength, beg them collab. Especially them want to go to artists where we are bigger than them and more established. And then when them do the collab, the artists them more established or get that energy them more than them. And then for them things just water down and dust. You see me? Panic ground. Brother, you need to promote that one. You not promote yourself, bro. You see me? Yeah, you might have a personality, but you have to do that. You have to do that, bro. You have to promote your thing. You see it? You have to do that, bro. Don't because you only promote yourself because you have a project coming out. You have to always promote yourself. Promote your music. Make people constantly ringing at them ears till them just love it. If you don't do that, it don't make no sense to do music, bro. A waste of time, that, brother. You see it? Waste of time. Don't say, yo, you're another person there in the limelight. Then how you go promote yourself? Oh, you think Digicel and them big company they out there, you think them just stay in and shy and just do not promote them brand? Them out there promote them brand, them dip on every digital screen in a people face. Everywhere them send out them workers out there in the street if try to make people come buy them product. You have to do that. If you would just sit down there and talk about maybe through you can go and stay there, dog, you suffer.
The more vulnerable side of Maestro than you will get for understand. Because growing up in a Waterford, I do the music, I be a hardcore thing and some rough thing and go through some whole heap of something and do some whole heap of something. Yeah, and them time they are be a grimy thing me I deal with, but I see the bigger picture. And me I rebrand once more.
Yeah, rebrand again. After you make your me I try to say that's the way you do, bro. You see it? Die down, brother. You know, make no sense, bro. So you got to keep on a rebrand yourself and not marketing yourself, brother. Enough artists this I'm doing and some that end up rebrand themselves, you know. You see it? Some of them career just tush. But bro, better you put in the full effect of marketing and promote yourself, dog. Than for you, Dediana, remarket, read this and read that. That not make no sense, bro. You see me? Promote yourself, promoting the music, dog. That better for no brother. You see it, cause this a music thing, brother. Amount of artists. Me see artists out there put out this and that, brother. And if it doesn't market nothing, try find some formula how to do it. You see me? Try find some formula that must work. You see me? You can't just sit down, so brother, talk about yo, maybe through me and them man the way in the gimmicks thing, and you can go and stay there. Big company I do that. The more I spotlight a competition, the more I highlight. You see me? How much celebrity them can get on them team for promote them brand. So you can just sit down there and know say brother. And a joke thing out of this. And that me I tell you, so you better hurry up and do it now for the brother. You see it, car. The dancehall music, the game I get more harder and harder right now, cause look at now. Social media, it will put in an algorithm and kick you up back. And a bag of artists out there more than back then. So look at now. If you did a boy a jidja and a chad, the man them run gun left you know. So you can stay there, they always want to be on top. You understand? Don't watch the big artists, then the man them would set them foundation already. The man they go always in the talk about and in the, you see me? Don't watch them man there. Watch yourself when not in that league there yet. You see it? And just do the music, bro, and stop about of complaining, dog. Time when they are complaining, you should promote yourself. You see it? And rather than that, when they are watch next man more whistling. The time when you're there, you watch about man a thief whistling style. Brother, find some song, dog, and try doing the thing, brother. You understand? You're there focus on whistling. Whistling, brother. You're there rebrand yourself and bring up whistling. Man, I whistle like, brother, yo, some time I tell people. Youth, well, different, dog. I tell them that. But people, when you don't know media facts, you know I'm go to work already, don't. Yeah, man, respect for the support. Is it? Big up everybody. You don't know one media facts pan app. That is it.